Currently, we have 2 running SAP programs. One is within our aircraft and defense group, which is on an S4 track. And the other one is within our industrial group, and we're currently still running on ECC, but we will make the transition to an S4 in the near future. Bringing all our sites into the same system, having data in one centralized place should bring you value, should be able to sites to work together. Like we have examples where we use direct shipment, but we also have examples where we use EDI, but also learning from each other. So we are also building a user community where somebody in Germany can explain somebody in the US for what's the best way to do a purchase order or how to leverage an invoice when it comes in. So really learning each other and bringing the value from the business itself, I think that's one of the key components. So with every step you take, you have to add value to your organization. What is there around process intelligence, it will add value, but you need to first prove it moving forward. With Signavio, we started 2 years ago with the SAP Signavio Process Manager. For us, that was a really good tool to really capture our business process, but also show if we want to do change via the digital twin, we could eliminate the time people are using the transactions. After that, we also implemented the governance hub. So with the governance module, it allows us to build a really good blueprint. So we have a team of global business process owners, the GBPOs. So once we have a common process established around how to create a purchase order, it gets the stamp of the GBPO, and that will be our new standard moving forward and also being used in rollouts, but also in optimizing processes. And our latest addition is that for both the programs, so both the S4 and also our ECC environment, we have switched on Process Insights. And with that, we are entering a whole new level of data gathering and data information. We had some feedback from users saying, hey, we would like to have more insights on how we are operating. How do we optimize on process flows? And I think with Process Insights, we are really bringing the data back to the end user, but also guide them in the right way, moving that forward. And the main advantage of Process Insights, it comes basically out of the box with your correction recommendations, where you should look at first. By just looking at those, you can easily see where your pain points are already in your organization, and you can easily download them and say, hey, we just want to improve on our data quality, as an example, or where we see that we are not using automation, where it should be a standard operation from SAP side. So just looking at that data, but also looking at process flows where we see blockers, you can easily identify where your next step should be. What I'm really enthusiastic about is that we are using Process Insights in 2 different ways. First is quantitative. Basically, where do we see the value coming out of the tool and what's really impacting either our P&L or our net working capital. But on the other hand, it's also the qualitative cases where you cannot measure the value, but you're making the life of the end user easier. Like I said, SAP should be fun. So why are we not solving blockers which not generate value in the hard way, but also looking at the soft way, helping end users to have more fun working with the system?